Punta na pala ako sa bus stop. So as you can see guys, ayan siya. Yung mga puno na yan, ayan, mamatay na siya dahil sa init dito. Dahil sa sobrang init talaga. So really delayed guys. Man, say hi to my vlog.
Yo,
Yo. Just say anything or like Filipino, like
what?
Say hi, say hi.
In fact, hi.
Yeah,
This guy.
So, hello guys. So I'm gonna do vlogging for today, and I'm using the GoPro now. And nga pala sa mga bago dito, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here, this is my first time using my GoPro, and I was going to work now. So I'm gonna try the GoPro that I ordered last time. Seeing on my YouTube channel, you can just find it there. My unboxing videos about this GoPro. So I'm gonna put my shades on because it's too sunny. A day in my life, summer edition. So I'm gonna put my sunglasses on because like it's really hot here in Abu Dhabi. Naputol siya guys. So it's a day in my life in Abu Dhabi as a waiter, and this is my first time using my GoPro, and we will see kung ano talaga yung pwedeng gawin dito. And sa sobrang init ngayon guys, papunta na ako dun sa work. So itatry natin itong GoPro na to kung maganda ba talaga siya, hindi ba talaga siya shaky. So punta na pala ako sa bus stop. So as you can see guys, ayan siya. Yung mga puno na yan, ayan, mamatay na siya dahil sa init dito. Dahil sa sobrang init talaga. And ayun lang, mabalik ako yung mamaya. Nagtitingin naman tayo dito. Parang namamatay ito dahil sa init. Sobrang init talaga dito guys. Hindi pa to siya totally na mainit talaga. So, gusto ko lang i-try yung GoPro na nabili ko sa Amazon. So pupunta muna tayo dito. Ayan, ito sa loob. So wala pa yung bus natin. No, I try my GoPro. That's why. So hi guys, malapit na kami sa workplace. And when I'm already in the bus, so I'm with my coworker. She's from Nepal. Say hi to my vlog. Like, she's the manager, the supervisor, the head waitress there. So kung naalala nyo guys, yung previous vlog ko is may videos na ako dito na mag-isa, but using my iPhone. I'm not using my GoPro. And ayun, there's something wrong on my GoPro. It will turn off while I'm using the camera, or I'm just doing my vlog. It will turn off. So help me guys, just comment how to fix this one. And there's the view guys. That's the view. So that's the view. So that's it. I'm just gonna try with this GoPro. I think this one is a scam. We're already late. We're late already. So we're already late of 1 minute. So malapit na kami sa workplace namin guys. Yan. So nakikita niyo yung puno na yan. Diyan kami nagsiserve. As you can see that one. It's a lot of trees. So dyan kami. And yeah, that's it. Akala ko dati kasi is from Middle East, wala talagang puno. Pero kami sa pagdating dito. And Aywa, how are you man? Say hi to my vlog.
Yo, bro.
Yo. Just say anything, or like Filipino, like
Like what?
Say hi, say hi.
In Philippines, hi.
Yeah,
This guy.
So I'm done closing the system guys, and I'm alone right now. So just to continue for time check, it's already 12:04. So nice guys. I'll just show you my mode of transportation. So, pauwi na tayo guys. Parang hindi masyadong mainit ngayon guys. Yung parang hindi naglalagkit yung katawan mo na ano. Just like this. So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.